Heat dissipation, refrigeration, ventilation. Do you think they are just blowing air? Wrong. They are the heartbeat of industrial systems. If they stop, the whole world could melt down. Our protagonist, the AC alternating current fan motor. They are the unsung heroes keeping equipment cool. Why AC? Because of reliability. It uses direct grid power, has a simple structure, and is built to last. It's born to run nonstop in harsh environments. Look inside. Stator, rotor, no complex electronic commutation. That means lower maintenance costs and stronger immunity to interference. But the market demands more. Longwell technology delivers customized AC solutions. Longwell's AC fan motors are more than just rotors and stators. They represent ultimate efficiency and precise control over energy consumption. They are the anchor of stability, keeping data centers cool. Longwell ensures the uninterrupted operation of this critical infrastructure. We don't just provide a product, we provide a guarantee of continuous operation. They are the silent heroes of the industry, safeguarding the global supply chain and the comforts of modern life. Every stable rotation comes from the reliability of the core component. Ready to inject this core power into your next generation equipment? Immediately to contact a Longwell expert and get your customized AC solution. Keep your world running, always.